of the story that I'm about to tell you now is called We Are One. A long time ago in the land of Shashamani lived a body. This body consisted of different parts, namely the eyes, the mouth, the nose, the ears, the hands, the brains, the heart, etc., etc. So this body lived in peace and harmony because each part respected the other. This was before the human beings. It was just one body with different parts. This body lived in peace and harmony until one day when the eyes started to be useful to the other parts of the body, and they said, fellow members of the body, you know what?
You know what?
I am the most important part of this body because I'm the one who sees the way. I give life to the body. Without me, the whole body would be in darkness. The whole body was in shock. And no one speaking interrupted, and it said, no, I don't think so. I'm also important here because I'm the one who breathes in and out. I circulate air into this body. So if I close myself out also, the whole body will suffocate and die. The mouth also joins into this power struggle, also wanting to be the best part of the body, and it says, I'm also important here because I'm the one who feeds this body to be nourished. So without me, the body would starve and die. The power struggle went on and on and on and on, each part wanting to be the best part of the body, even the most harmless part of the body, which is the heart, going to get.
Amen. Yes.
God itself involved into this power struggle, and it said, life is in the heartbeat. The body can live without the eyes, it can live without the ears, but it cannot live without the heart. So if I stop myself, the whole body would die. Hey, the power struggle went on and on and on, each part wanting to be the best part of the body. The body was now in disharmony until the brain interrupted, and they said, please, quiet, it's enough now. Listen to me. We are all important here because we complement each other. Each and every one of us has a different function. When one part of the body suffers, the whole body suffers. So you are the one who started this foolish argument. You must apologize to the other parts of the body. Poor Aisha. They were so sorry and ashamed, and they started to apologize, and they said, I am so sorry. I now realize that we are all special because we've got different qualities. And the other parts of the body started to apologize also for joining into this foolish argument which their eyes have started. And the voice which just said that, let us make a song that will always remind us that we are one. And the whole body went, yeah! And the song goes, we are one, we are one.